Guys, can you hear anything? Guys, I'm making a YouTube video. I'm making a YouTube video, everyone.
Okay.
Tell me if there's anyone that doesn't want to be in my YouTube channel.
I think everybody does not mind. I want to be on it. I think I want to be on it.
Yeah, there's like 20 people here, guys.
I got a video with 19,000 views.
Amazing mark.
Yeah, YouTube stuff.
Also, like,
I do, 19,000. Well, you know, this all. I was selling
yeah,
it
this
on
one is
Victoria.
it's the mini model. And here is the lunchtime camp. Let's start this model.
My camera, you see the goal for the dashboard? You see the dirt in the lane? I'm not talking about this. We're talking about, this power, this power. I drove it on the highway. I kept getting these people like liking it and commenting. I'm like, guys, the car's sold.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now we have a different dog.
Yeah. I know.
Now there's only down to and there's a lot of visitors here, and they bring a dog. Their dog. What? I know. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Don't help me fly.
Marble Run number 2. That doesn't work, Faith. I'm making a video and I'm gonna post
Not everybody's friendly on this side. Tell them what not everybody's friendly.
Not everybody's friendly. Why did you say that?
No, some people are shy. Some people are...
I'm not shy. Now Marble Run 2. Hi, Hannah. This one's short but sweet. Let's build more.
Speed racer.
Hannah's 3. Bye, guys.